What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tay, and today basically I'm gonna be showing. Basically today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a sound. 2018, y'all. And don't forget, today is Saturday, July 28th, 2018. So let's just get right into this video. Okay, so basically you just want to save a sound to your gallery, and I saved my sound already. And I used this sound right here. Hold on. I used this sound. Okay, and then basically the apps you'll be needing is KineMaster, Dubsmash. I already did that though. You just want to record a sound, and then you'll be needing Funnymate for the effects and Google for the pictures. So then what you want to look up is you want to go to Google, and basically what you want to do is you want to put in, hold on, it's not loading yet. Okay, so basically what you want to do is you're going to put in Tumblr, baddies. So once you put Tumblr baddies, it should show a lot of cute pictures of girls, and yeah, but I'm not gonna be using like inappropriate ones because that's disgusting. And yeah, so I preferred this one right here. I'd say I'm gonna use her. Wasn't doing anything. And you guys, I'm gonna be making sounds, so yeah, stay tuned for that. It's not really working. I don't really see. Okay, there you go. Okay, so basically you're just gonna crop that out, and I might move y'all over here because y'all just messed up my whole video. Alright, so I had to take a screenshot, and then basically what you want to do is you want to go to your gallery, gallery, and then basically where you want to go for your gallery, you're going to go to the picture that you made, well, that you had, or that's whatever you want to say. You're just going to go there, and then you just want to edit it, like crop it out or whatever. So yeah, we're just gonna crop this out because that's what we need to do. So yeah, okay, and then basically what you want to do is you want to transform it, which is crop it for me, and then basically just crop it like that. So then I just saved it to my gallery, and it said and it said please wait, and then yeah. And then after that, what you want to do is you want to go to KineMaster, and this is the part where you put your sound and your picture together. So basically, you just want to go to KineMaster, and oh gosh, this is my worst thing ever. Okay, so basically what you want to do is you want to go to the plus sign, and basically just push empty project. And yeah, and then you'll go to media, and you'll find your picture, the Tumblr baddie, and then just press the check, and it will be like this. And so if you don't want it like this a little bit, just hold the what's the name, or like yeah, and crop it a little bit, and then it could be like that. So I want it like that. And then basically what you want to do is you want to go to layer and go to media again and go to movies, and then go to movies, and then go to the Dubsmash you made. So after I went to the Dubsmash, I just put that to the side, and you just want to put them where the what's name is. So I prefer you just like putting it right there, and then it will be like this. I'm gonna show you right now. the stops at. So then I went to color filter, and yeah, and basically what I wanted it to be kind of like this. So I just put it in like that, and she looked very pretty. So then I just pressed OK, and then I just went on and so then basically what you want to do is you want to go to layer again for like the texting, and basically when you go to layer, just type what you want. And I'm gonna put my username, Fire Edits. That's not really my username, but oh well. Edit. I put fire.edits, and I'm just gonna put a little fire emoji. Not a little, that's actually hot. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna put a fire emoji. Fire edits, and I'm probably just gonna put like something like this and this. So then I pushed OK, and then basically what I did was I put it for the whole thing. And basically what you want to do is you just want to, I'm just going to put mine like, okay, we can't move it, okay. But we're just going to pick the color, and my color is going to be about blue. I love the color blue, you guys, I love it. And then, yeah, you just want your color to be blue. And basically what you want to do is you want to put glow, because I want mine to glow. And just put it like that, which is bold. And it didn't really do anything yet, but okay. Anyways, you just want to get the text and basically swivel it over like that. And do the same thing for the other part. Just put it towards where it stops at. And this is basically where it stops at, so prefer you doing like that, and then you'll have your thing. So let me show you what it looks like. Oops, let me show you what it looks like, and let me show you what it sounds like. Well, let me just start it over. Okay, and now we're just gonna save it, which you want to press the button with the, it's kind of like a V, but it's the right side V, and then it has 3 dots. So it's one small one, one medium one, and one big one. So you're just gonna press that, and then basically what you want to put is leave all of those together and just put export. I'm just gonna put no thanks, save with watermark. And once you save it with watermark, okay, and then after you save it, you're just going to go to Funnymate. And this is where we put our effects. So you're just going to go to Funnymate, and they have a lot of effects, like you can clap it, pull up on you, I don't know what happened. So, yeah, but just discard this, and then press the X button. I'm just going to stop that. Oh my gosh, it doesn't stop. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm just going to push. Yeah, and then you're just going to push the I can't even. Okay, so you're just gonna push the one where it has the play button, and then just press that, and then you'll go to the video that you just made, and you'll go to export, because that's what you did. And then you're just gonna press OK. So, yeah. So then it'll load one more time for preparing effects. for effects and everything. So then you'll have this right here. And then basically what you want to do is you want to go to effects, or we gonna do touch real quick, and go to add touch, and I think I'm gonna do this one right here, and I'm just gonna press touch. And then after that, I'm gonna save it, and then I'm gonna just check it real quick. And then basically what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna just push effects. And then we're just gonna push all of these are like pros and everything, so yeah. So then I made it, and it looks like this. So basically it looks like this. And I decided to add another touch because I was just pretty as ever. And basically I just added this one, and I just went ahead. So then I just saved it, and I saved it again. And I just added a sticker, you know, just for fun. And basically what I wanted to add was this, yeah, right here. And then I just, so basically I just went here, and then I went there. Nope, stickers, nope, I don't want it. No. And then basically what I did is I saved the video, and yeah, so it should be saving right now. Oops. Okay, so it's rendering again, so I'm gonna get back to you when I saved it. So I saved it to my gallery, and then basically what you want to do is I'm gonna look at my gallery and see if it's cool, because yeah. Let me just go to my gallery and see what happened. So I'm gonna show you the video. It's not really playing right now. It's actually acting retarded. Oh, here you go.
You should make that thing with your mother not have you control on when you take a shower.
Alright, you guys, so that's it for today. And yeah, so thank you. If you want to crop the funny mate thing out, just go to InShot. Oh, I don't really think that I don't have InShot anymore, so. Oh, yes, I do. If you want to delete that, then yeah. And I'm going to be doing videos on how to do the slideshows with the thing where it turns and everything. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm going to be doing a video on how I got a video as my wallpaper. So bye bye, love y'all.